Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial showing you guys how to get these gorgeous Hollywood glam waves. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle, then definitely continue to watch. So the first things you're going to need is a glove, because these curling ones can get super hot. So go ahead and don your glove. The next thing I'll be using is my EV Beauty curling one. This curling one is I think about 1.5 inches in diameter, and this is a ceramic tourmaline curling one, I believe, and it gets pretty hot. I don't know exactly how hot it gets, but it does get really hot, and it curls your hair phenomenally. So I like to start at the bottom and I clip the hair out of the way, and what I do is I take the hair and I go under the strand and I wrap it around the curling one in a backwards motion. The key to getting these Hollywood glam waves in a finger waves type of style is that you want to curl the hair, all of the hair, in the same direction. So you want to do this for the entire head. For each strand that you curl your hair, the way you do it and the direction you do it, you want to do it that entire way for the entire head. So if you wanted to curl it where the finger waves were going in a different direction, you would curl it over instead of curling it under. It would pretty much come out the same way, except for you're doing it in a different direction, so the waves would go in a different direction. So this is a really simple hairstyle. The key to it is just curling all of the hair in the same direction, so everything will be uniform and the waves will be uniform at the end. So I'm going to continue to show you guys how I do the entire head, and then at the end of the video I will show you guys how I done my unit and how I comb out the curls to get that wave feel. So now we're going to go ahead and don the unit. This is a unit by DYHAIR777.com. This is a Brazilian body wave unit. I will have all that information listed down below. I like it. The only thing that I don't like about this unit is the frontal and how unnatural the closure portion looks, but I'm working with it because the hair is a really good quality. So I'm just going to keep on working with it until I can make it look natural as possible. But so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start combing out sections very slowly and making sure that all of the hair is in a uniform wave pattern. So you want to do that for the entire head and then style it as you desire, and that's pretty much it. It's a really easy style, you guys. Like I said, the only thing that you have to do is make sure that you curl all of the hair in the same direction, and then when you're finished you just comb it out and make sure that everything is flowing and the wave pattern is uniform. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials, and I will see you guys in another video really soon. Bye.
She say that I'm Hollywood, I probably could.